Hi, boys and girls. I want to review with you how you should be doing your writing today. Your independent writing assignment is to answer the following question. What did you learn from the book about what school is and why is it important? The first thing I want to highlight to you guys is that this is a two-part question. This question has two parts. The first part of the question is, what is school? The second part of the question is, why is it important? So since it is a two-part question, we need to make sure that we are answering both parts. Now, some of you might want to get this information from your head, but we need to make sure we're getting the details from the text. Let's think back to our I can statement, which is right up here. I can ask and answer questions about schools using key details from an informational text. Now we know the text that we're reading is what is schools and why is it important. So now I'm going to think back to the book that I just listened to. And now I'm going to begin writing. Remember, the question says, what did you learn from the book about what school is and why is it important? So we want to make sure we're answering this in a full sentence. So it's asking you what you learned. So I'm going to say, I learned, I get this word learn from right here. I learned. I'm going to talk about what Trinity said. And Trinity said that I learned school is a place to educate children. So she said school is a place to educate children. Am I done? Did I finish my independent writing? What school is? I learned school is a place to educate children. Do you think I'm done? If you said no, you are correct. I need to talk about why is it important. Remember, it's a two-part question. So I can say it. Remember, we always start our sentence with a capital letter. It is important because we have to say why it is important. And in the text, Trinity told us it's important because children can become better people. So Trinity told us that school is a place to educate children. That means to teach children. And she said it is important because children can become better people. In this box, I would draw my picture. So I'm just going to draw a picture. This is going to be the teacher. Miss Fred is not an artist. This is the teacher, and this is the student. And I'm teaching on a smartboard. Okay. So remember, two-part question. I am restating the question when I answer it. What did you learn? I learned. A lot of these words, boys and girls, you can find inside of the question. The second part, why is it important? It is important. These words are right here. I'm not worried about spelling. I want you just to try your best.